Okay, so we want to go back to surfaces, as I said, and move this down here. And so I'll toggle that on, and I'm going to zoom in on here. And let's see, this surface, that surface right there, let's see if we can make that to hold down the control key and pick that surface there. Let's see. Yep, I think that worked. So let me turn the visibility off on the temporary axes so we can see this a little better and make sure this is constrained properly. Yep, it looks pretty good. Look at it from this side. You can hit that and look at. Oops. Okay, so what I'm looking for here is just that. This actually, if I pick that face and hit the normal 2, I'll get that. So there's that little brass insert there. All right, so that looks pretty good. All right, and the last thing we need to do then for this step is we want to put these screws into these 2 holes here. And so I'm going to turn off the surface again and turn on the temporary axes. Okay, so all right, so if I can pick that axis there, and then let's see if I can turn that around a little bit, and I'm going to have to start over, I think, on that one. So I'll pick that axis there, and then try to get in here and hold down the control key and pick that axis there, and accept that, and then I'll pick this face, and hold down the control key and pick that face. Okay, and then we'll just do the same thing on this side here. And pick this face and put that down there and zoom in over here and pick that face. Okay. Okay, and looking in this box here, I guess I didn't get the whole axis properly. So let me zoom in on there and pick that. Try that again, pick that one. And pick that axis. All right, I guess the third time is the charm. Let's see what's going on with this. So I'll pick this axis. Okay, and then go in and pick that face right there. And that face right there. And I forgot to hold down the control key. All right, so now I'll hold down the control key, pick that face, and there we go. All right. And now we can turn off the temporary axes. All right, so there's the axle is constrained. We have the collar, and it looks like I'm going to have to change that distance a little bit. And we have the screws in there, and so we have that assembly ready. So we'll pick up from next